Having the right tool arsenal directly impacts your work process and the outcome. That's why every handyman seeks, chooses, and tests a tool so many times before spending bucks on them. So in this video, we will show you the 10 coolest tools that every handyman should have. Transport all your heavy goods with a reliable system. This Wolfcraft TS850 never lets you down when moving large items around your home or job site. First and foremost, it comes with a unique, quick-folding mechanism that allows you to get started in no time. The convenient pull-out handlebar with a central lock button offers easy usability and better control. On top of that, the handle has a rounded, rubberized grip that maintains needed comfort and plenty of space for both hands. Let's not forget to mention the 100 kilogram payload capacity of this tool. With two rugged, large profile wheels, this hand truck is great for stairs, uneven surfaces, and nearly any terrain you meet. When the job is done, just pull a bar and get it folded in seconds. If you're a passionate handyman, a portable workbench is a thing you never forget to take around the worksite. What if you got something that provides uncountable facilities to handle unlimited professional projects? This 5-in-1 workbench is specially built for contractors, woodworkers, as well as homemakers. It's highly portable and remains compact when not in use. The integrated clamp holder brings easement to every clamping task. This table has up to 330 pounds of load capacity for all the demanding jobs. Even a standard-sized person can easily stand onto it if the job calls. Well, the built-in power strip, USBs, and inline accessory storage differ this Disston workbench from all the regular ones. Hold on, you can use it as a transporting trolley too. Who doesn't want to get his projects done in between time and under budget? With that in mind, Hilti designed its concrete sensors that provide accurate real-time information about your job site concrete. It lets you monitor concrete strength with ASTM C1074 via a dedicated mobile app. It also allows you to keep an eye on the changing temperature. The best thing about this tool is you can install it very simply, and sensors will detect the pour time automatically. These Hilti sensors work wireless and share reports instantly with the free app. And you don't need to worry about the durability. It's made to withstand all the rough behaves of even the thickest concrete mortars. It's time to make concrete projects more precise and fun to do. If you're the kind of person who always seeks a way to shorten their work processes, you can never go wrong with these Simcoe hole punching tools. They simply make an electrician's task clean, effortless, and burr-free. It features a hydraulic handheld punch that supports multiple attachments to tackle a variety of jobs. Plus, you can rotate the tool up to a 360-degree angle with up to 75 kN punching force. It allows you to handle even the strongest materials. When it comes to getting the largest cuts, you just change the accessory and make it in mere time. No doubt the high-quality hard shell case is going to keep these punching tools safe from any harsh conditions. Next is the Rothenberger press rings, a specially designed press ring set that allows you to get the ultimate stability and precision when working on metallic piping systems. This set comes with all important profiles and sizes, meaning you can handle all major pipe dimensions. Confined places where you've spent huge time working before, these press rings get those done in mere time, maintaining the utmost safety. With an effective locking function, the press rings remain open and ensure ease of one-handed operation. Cherry on top, each press ring has a 180-degree swiveling function, allowing you to tackle every installation even in the tightest areas. However, these press rings are made of quality material to offer an extended lifespan for years of use. Every road maintainer has to deal with manhole openings on a regular basis, and if they get such a solution where they don't need to go that much closer to open the holes, it'll be a sure blessing. Meet the Lifttop Magic. an ideal way to handle manholes with proper safety. It maintains a certified ergonomic posture that lets you work without any risk of injury. The Lifttop features a coupling mode to grip the manhole firmly until you don't want to release it. It also adopts both magnetic and mechanical technology to give you the highest operator versatility for every job. When the job is complete, the Lifttop Magic folds down magically and becomes so compact to carry in just a mid-sized bag. Whenever a handyman is tasked with installing something, he always strives to find the most efficient and time-saving method. That's where these 90-degree fixed welding clamps come in handy. These Eclipse magnetic switchable welding aids are great alternatives for tack welding applications where you need multiple traditional clamps, such as angle clamps, 2-axis clamps, corner clamps, C-clamps, or more. Each of the clamps features 2 on-off switches that let you instantly engage and disengage with the job at hand. Thanks to the rugged metal construction, these welding clamps are suitable for simple, accurate alignment on 2 workpieces when you need to weld a corner or angled steel. Meanwhile, the 55-kilogram pull force ensures reliability that's second to none. It's soldering time. No matter whether you're a beginner or a pro, you can just pick up this SnapOn Soldering Iron Kit in hand and get the safest way of soldering. These portable butane soldering kits are ideal for soldering wires or electrical terminals, even for heating shrink sleeves. Each of the soldering iron features a quick-release connector for easy tip changeover. Not just that, they also have a unique one-touch igniter switch and magnetic storage stand to keep you going well on and off the job. Want to know the coolest part? These Snap-on iron kits also notify you about the remaining fuel on its integrated fuel gauge windows on both sides. No compromises on safety, no compromise on precision. This is the Kapro 353 Legit Square, a certified 90-degree square that helps you in wide measurement projects in the carpentry and construction field. It comes with a stainless steel blade and aluminum cast handle to offer long-lasting tool life. Plus, it also comes with permanently etched gradation that won't fade away day by day, allowing you to use it for years to come. Thanks to its 4 precision milled surfaces and retractable metal support ledge, the Kapro 353 Square will meet almost every measuring need of demanding projects. Wait, it has openings in every 1/4 inch, so you can do parallel markings too. You'll definitely need an underhood light when working in poor weather conditions or in low light areas. So let's conclude today's list with this Matco MU-HL 1000. It's a compact, lightweight, and durable underhood light which is perfect for pros who always need powerful illumination of engine bays. Most importantly, the MU-HL 1000 features multiple modes of illumination which deliver different lumens of light. With an impact-resistant ABS body, this light offers long-lasting longevity. On top of that, it has an IP54 water and dust rating, so the harsh job sites are no more pain now. Hold on, it also comes with the IK07 rating, meaning it withstands tough conditions and drops out easily. Last but not least, the strong magnets allow you to attach it firmly to any metal object and get a comfortable way of illumination. So that was the list of the 10 coolest tools that every handyman should have. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.